Hey folks, I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are breaking down all of the dividends that I earned for the month of June of 2023 as well as the second quarter of this year. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. I am a 30-year-old female with no dependents and just my pup Jackson. And we've been working on this portfolio for a few years now. So this is definitely not something that has happened overnight. I've been tracking it for about a year and some change. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how we did this month because it was a pretty good month. So as far as my portfolio, we are now sitting at $30,659.92. We jumped up 4.72% this month, the biggest jump we've had since January, for a total of $1382.71 in gains. Overall this year, it's been a little rocky, but we're sitting about 6.22% for a gain of about $1,750. You can see that the portfolio has been all over the place this year, but I am happy to see this number growing right here. And let's go ahead and see how my strategy has been impacted by all of this change. So last month, again, what has been the trend is finance and real estate have been my lowest based off of my breakdown. This is my target breakdown of how much percentage of portfolio I want to be in each one of these sectors, being over here, and the value broken down by numbers and percentages just works really well for me. And then I also can see how much dividend I earned off of each one of those sectors, with finance and real estate coming in at my highest dividend returns there. So we went ahead and refocused and rebalanced into the finance sector because it was pretty low there, and bought 6 shares of ticker symbol KEY, K-E-Y, for $10.15 a piece, spending just shy of $70 there to try and rebalance that. And then based off of that and how the market went, we actually still went down with finance. It is still getting hit pretty hard there. We had some dividend updates there, but you know, that's just how it is. And yeah, so this next month we will again probably be focusing on the finance and real estate sectors, just trying to bring up all of this. And I track these dividends in a different sheet, in a different spreadsheet I should say, and just try and keep that up to date as much as possible. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see how much dividends I earned from the month. I don't think this number is right. I don't think I updated this number. Yeah, just ignore these numbers. I forgot to update these. So these are old numbers here. I am still working on this, human error, but these are right. This section is right. No, it's not. You guys understand, but sorry, but my current breakdown is not correct. I forgot to update this, and yeah, so we'll just keep moving right along. Just ignore this little section here. We forgot to update that. I was out of town right at the very beginning and end of the month, so that complicated things. But we did purchase 6 shares of KEY. Let's go ahead and look at the dividends that I earned. It was a bigger month as far as what we're getting closer here. We just came shy of $100, and so $99.71. We should be breaking this $100 mark on my third month. Yeah, the third dividend of the month. The third month of dividends, the triple 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we should see about a 120-ish here, and then probably about an 80, and then hopefully we'll break 100. For total year, we brought in $581.83 in dividends. For the second quarter of this year, we brought $299.52 in dividends. We are seeing this trend go upward steadily, and I'm happy to see that. Let's go ahead and jump in and see the individual dividends that I earned for the month of June. Alright, so dividend number 1 coming in on the 1st of June is ticker symbol CMI, which is Cummins Incorporated, for $1.57. I own 1 share of this stock. The average purchase price for that share was $213.51, and we are up about 14.82% in this position overall. Dividend number 2 coming in again on the 1st of June is ticker symbol ENB, which is Enbridge Incorporated, for $2.24. I own 4 shares of the stock, and we're up about 13.2%. And this is an international company, so we are seeing that tax come out. Dividend number 3 coming in again on the 1st of June is ticker symbol PSX, which is Phillips 66, for $3.15. I own 3 shares of this stock, and we are up almost $100 in this position for a gain of 52.12% overall, and I'm happy to see that. Dividend number 4 coming in again on the 1st of June is ticker symbol V, which is Visa, for $1.35. I own 3 shares of this stock, and we are up $103 in this position for a gain of just shy of 17% overall, and this makes up 2.32% of my entire portfolio. And the note being that most of my positions, different companies that I own stock in, make up less than 1% or just on the brink of 1% of my entire portfolio. So anything above that is a little bit bigger in my portfolio. Dividend number 5 coming in on the 6th of June is ticker symbol BNDX, which is the Vanguard Total International Bond ETF. I own 3 shares, and we earn 22 cents in dividends off of those shares, and it is down about 4.4% in this position. Dividend number 6 coming in on the 6th of June is ticker symbol JNJ, which is Johnson & Johnson, for $1.19. I own 1 share of this stock, and we are up $16.62 in this position, and they went ahead and increased their dividend from $1.13 a share to $1.19 a share. Woot woot. Dividend number 7 coming in on the 6th of June is ticker symbol LYB. For $1.25, I own 1 share, and we are up 33% in this position, and they went ahead and increased their dividend from $1.19 a share to $1.25 a share. Dividend number 8 coming in again on the 6th of June is ticker symbol SO, which is Southern Company, one of my favorite long-term holders. We earn $10.50 in dividends from them from the 15 shares that I hold on to. And overall, we are up about $143 or about 16% in this position, and it does make up 3.44% of my portfolio, so it is one of the bigger cats that I do have. And they went ahead and increased their dividend from 68 cents a share to 70 cents a share. Woot woot. Dividend number 9 coming in on the 8th of June is ticker symbol AMGN for $2.13 for the 1 share that I own. And we are down 9.2% in this position overall for a loss of about $22.50. Not too bad there. Dividend number 10 coming in again on the 8th of June is ticker symbol CNP, which is Centerpoint Energy Incorporated, for $5.51. We own 29 shares of this stock, and we are up almost $230 in this position for a gain of just under 37.5% overall. Dividend number 11 coming in on the 8th of June again is ticker symbol MSFT, which is Microsoft, for 68 cents. I own 1 share, and we are up just under 50% in this position for a gain of $113.44 overall. Dividend number 9 coming in on the 9th of June is ticker symbol PFE, which is Pfizer. You've probably heard of them. We have 4 shares, and we earned $1.64 from those shares, and we are up about $7.9 in this position overall, and it makes up just shy of 0.5% of my entire portfolio. Dividend number 13 coming in on the 12th of June is ticker symbol CVX, which is Chevron Corporation. We earned $1.51 from the 1 share that I own, and we are up exactly $67 in this position for a gain of 74.16% overall. It is doing really well. Glad to see that. Dividend number 14 coming in on the 15th of June is ticker symbol HD, which is Home Depot, for $2.09 for the 1 share that I have, and we are up 8.7% in this position. Happy to see that. Dividend number 15 coming in on the 15th of June is ticker symbol KEY, which is the Key Corporation. At the time, we owned 9 shares of the stock. So we brought in $1.85 for this. Remember, when you buy, because we purchased 6 more shares of Key, when you buy it, there's the dividend X date, and you have to own the stock before that date in order to be paid out the dividend for it. I'll post a link to I have a video that breaks down how dividends work. I will link that up there because I'm going to explain it really badly, and I feel like I do a good job in this video. So if you're wondering how that works, click on the video and take a look-see at how dividends work and the time frame. But yes, we earned $1.85 off of dividends from Key, and we are down 24.93% in this position overall. But that's okay because the finance sector, which is what it is, has been hit really hard for like a year plus. So it's a good time to reinvest and build that up while it is almost at a discount. Alright, dividend number 16 coming in again on the 15th of June is ticker symbol NEE, which is Nextra Energy, for $3.27. I own 7 shares of this stock, and we are at a loss of about $6.24. Dividend number 17 coming in on the 15th of June again is ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income Corporation, for $1.28. I own 5 shares of the stock, and we are down $40 in this position for a loss of just under 12% overall. Dividend number 18 coming in again on the 15th of June is ticker symbol STAG, which is Stag Industrial, for 37 cents. I own 3 shares of the stock, and we are at a loss of just over $1.36, so nothing too bad there. Dividend number 19 coming in on the 16th of June is ticker symbol DUK, which is Duke Energy Corporation, for $2.01. I own 2 shares of the stock, and we are at a gain of $5.83, or about 3.36%. Dividend number 20 coming in on the 20th of June is ticker symbol D, which is Dominion Energy, for $1.34. I own 2 shares of this stock, and we are down exactly 31% in this position for a loss of about $46.50. Dividend number 21 coming in on the 22nd of June is ticker symbol FLO, for $1.15. I own 5 shares of the stock, and we are sitting almost even with a gain of 1.55%, and they went ahead and increased their dividend 1 cent from 22 cents a share to 23 cents a share. Any increase is good in my book. Dividend number 22 coming in on the 23rd of June is ticker symbol LMT, for $3 for the 1 share that I own, and we are up about 17.6% in this position overall, and it makes up exactly 1.5% of my entire portfolio. Dividend number 23 coming in on the 26th of June is ticker symbol EFC, which is Ellington Financial Incorporated, for $8.25. We continue to hold on to the 55 shares that pay out this monthly dividend, and we are up $238 in this position overall. Dividend number 24 coming in on the 26th of June is ticker symbol SU, which is Suncor Energy Incorporated, for $5.04. We own 15 shares of this stock, and we are up over $207 in this position for a gain of just over 89% overall. And this is an international Canadian company, so we are seeing that tax come out already, courtesy of my brokerage account. Dividend number 25 coming out on the 27th of June is ticker symbol UNH, which is United Health Group, for $5.64. I own 3 shares of the stock, and we are up over 48% in this position for a big gain of $468.39, and they went ahead and did a big increase on their dividend from $1.65 a share to $1.88 a share. Dividend number 26 coming in on the 29th of June is ticker symbol TROW, for $3.66. I own 3 shares of the stock, and we are down 18.2% overall for a loss of just under $75. Dividend number 27 coming in on the 30th of June is ticker symbol AVGO, for $9.20. We own 2 shares of this stock, and we are up over 111% in this position. It keeps going up for a gain of $915.23. Yes, and they make up just shy of 2.9% of my entire portfolio. So a big one that is continuing to increase, and we're over 100% return. Yes. Dividend number 28 coming in again on the 30th of June is ticker symbol BAC, which is Bank of America, for $6.82. I own 31 shares of this stock, and we are down 11.3% in this position for a loss of over $113. Dividend number 29 coming in again on the 30th of June is ticker symbol CCI, which is Crown Castle Incorporated, for $4.70. I own 3 shares of the stock, and we are down a loss of $105, or about 23.6% overall. Dividend number 30 coming in on the 30th of June is ticker symbol KHC, which is Kraft Heinz Company, for $3.20. We own 8 shares of the stock, and we are up about 4.79% in its position overall for a gain of just under $13. Dividend number 31 coming in again on the 30th of January is ticker symbol LTC for $1.90. We own 10 shares of this stock, and we are down just under 12% in this position for a loss of just under $45 in this position. And dividend number 32, the last dividend this month, came in on the 30th of June, ticker symbol TRV, which is the Travelers Company, for $2. We own 2 shares of the stock, and we are up 23.72% in this position overall, and they went ahead and increased their dividend from 93 cents a share to $1 a share, so a big jump up there. And that wraps up all of the 32 different dividends that I earned for the month of June. Let's go ahead and jump to my favorite section and see how this inputs the statistics of how we're doing this month. So we saw a little balance coming out here. We jumped down to 4.03% dividend yield, and our goal here is to have a 4% return. We jumped up to an annual dividend yield of $1,225.56 per month. That is $102.13 per week. That is $23.57. Per day, we are back up to $3.36 per hour. That would be 14 cents. Per minute, we're still sitting at that 2/10 of a penny. And then if we were to compare this to a 40-hour work week, we would be making 58 9/10 of a penny per hour based off of that. And we can see how we've steadily increased this over time with a little dip down based on companies moving in and out of the stock market. But that is how we're doing as far as statistics. Glad to see that we are back on the rise and almost caught up to where we were at before in March. Let's go ahead and see how this impacts my goals. Alright, so here we go. So portfolio is valued over $30,000 now, so we can update this right here and put this back on green. We've kind of been back and forth on that. Total dividends this year is $591.83. The goal is to earn $1,275 in dividends, so we are less than half of that here, but we have time to increase that a little bit. We're pushing ourselves with this goal here. Average month is $102.13. We want to reach $105 average and $3.45 a day on average in dividends, and we are at $3.36. But we are staying track with that 4% annual dividend return, working towards these long-term goals, and that is how my strategy is broken down. Ignore this right here, but this is the strategy that I'm following to earn that 4% dividend return every single year. That's going to wrap things up for me, guys. I hope that you guys also had a fantastic month and your stock portfolios increased and you earned dividends and are enjoying your passive residual income from this just as much as I have. So I will see you next time, guys. Bye.